Hey guys, so I noticed that finally Groups is connecting with email. At the beginning of the year, it wasn't. So I'm going to show you how you can create groups in the online school. So if you go to your students tab, I'm going to do Sandy's for her. Just go to My Groups. And this makes it easier when you just want to send an email to second grade or just third grade. So you're going to create a new group and then you can name the group. Like for Sandy, you can just write second grade. And then you're going to go to select members. You're just going to go and choose MNVA student, Sandy's homeroom here, and just the second grade and click apply. And then these are her 21 second graders. Just select all and then you can save and close. You do have to give it a description. So just 21 second grade homeroom. Oops. Oops. Okay, so there we go. And then just scroll down and you can create group. So now she's got her second grade. Let's do third grade. Okay. Select members. Again, MNVA, role is student, classroom is, here's Sandy's. And now we just want third grade. And apply. She's got 17 of them. Select all. Go ahead and save. And create group. So now what's kind of nice is that, say we're back at the home page and like you want to send, for example, third grade, you want all of them to have Hank the Cow Dog. So you're going to go to My Groups, and then for third grade, just go to Action, and you can send message, and it will populate an email with just your third graders. A lot more easy when you just want to send an email to one grade band.